In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ground flaxseed. So I'm going to weigh out 31 grams of flaxseed, whole bob red mill flaxseed. And then I am going to put it in my Vitamix cup, and I am going to then grind the flaxseed. So here's the whole flaxseed, and now I'm pouring it into the cup, putting on the attachment, and now I'm going to grind it up real good. I may have to do a little additional grinding after I make some adjustments here. So I'm going to kind of like knock off what's left on the sides of the cup, put it back on the container and grind it, and then you have flaxseed. I really appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you very much, and here's the flaxseed. You'll see it in just a moment.